In this video, we show how to replace the bezel in a PowerEdge R770. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the bezel, insert the key and rotate it clockwise to the unlock position. Then press the release button and swing it out and remove. To install the bezel, align it with the system and rotate it and push it into place. Then insert the key and rotate it counterclockwise to the lock position. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R770, visit dell.com/support.